Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to hide apps on iPhone. Firstly, locate the app you wish to hide on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until a pop-up menu appears. The menu will include several options specific to the app. Just look for the one marked in red, which is Remove App, and tap it. After tapping Remove App, a confirmation menu will appear. Just select Remove from home screen instead of Delete App. This ensures the app remains installed on your iPhone but is hidden from your view on your home screen. The hidden app remains accessible through App Library or the search bar. If you want to add it back, just navigate to the App Library, long press to it, and then Add Home to Screen. Add to home screen. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.